Hey guys, this is Rahul and welcome to GoMahamaya.com, and in this beautiful tutorial we'll be learning how to get 20% off. So here you can see the 20% off is applied on the website, complete website is applied. To get that coupon, you need to click on the link in the description box or go to the Chrome browser, and there you need to type gomahamaya.com/go/WPE. WPE means WP Engine 20% off. You have to type and you have to give enter, or you can click the link in the description box. You will get redirected to WP Engine plans page, and there you will see 20% coupon got applied. If you will go directly, you need to pay $95 for the same plan, and here you can get it at $76. So coupon activation is mandatory. I hope you find this video useful. If you did, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more further updates. Thank you.